Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the laptop screen locking shuts off and won't turn on, then please watch this video. Now I was just wondering this is because of power source depletion and nothing else. So I searched for it on the internet and I got an excellent answer from the Microsoft Answers forum, and almost 1,000 people found it, marked it as helpful, which basically means that hundreds of thousands must have gotten help with it. So I will read the answer for you and you'll just find the answer with this one. In the end of our problem turned out to be a depleted battery. We had to wait for the battery to be completely discharged before we could restart it, so we left it unplugged overnight to let the remaining power drain away and then plugged it in the next day and worked as normal. After it switched, we left it to fully recharge the battery before using and it was all good. So here's what you can try. Just deplete the battery completely and then you can recharge it fully and then you can start using it. And make sure that the power source, the power cable is good enough. I'm not talking about the complete charger, but the connecting cable from the power supply to the adapter of the charger, that can be changed and it's not very expensive. So try that, and if you don't, then that is what exactly triggers the Windows locking alert. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.